In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable macro settings in Outlook safely and correctly. If you need to run a macro in Outlook, the setting you're looking for is located inside the Trust Center. Before we begin, it's important to understand that macros can automate useful tasks, but they can also pose a security risk if they come from an untrusted source. So while I'll show you exactly where to turn this on, you should only do this for files and projects you trust. Start by opening Outlook. Once Outlook is on screen, go to the File menu. From there, select Options. This opens the Outlook Options window, where you'll find a range of settings that control how Outlook behaves. In the Options window, look for Trust Center and click it. Then select Trust Center Settings. This is the section where Outlook stores security-related controls, including the options for macros. Inside the Trust Center, click Macro Settings. Here, you'll see the available choices for how Outlook handles macros. If you need Outlook to allow all macros to run, choose Enable All Macros. Keep in mind that this setting is not recommended for general use because it allows any macro to run, including potentially unsafe ones. If you want a more cautious option, choose Notifications for digitally signed macros instead. This setting is typically the safer choice because it gives you alerts for signed macros, helping you maintain better control while still allowing trusted macro-based workflows. After selecting the option that fits your needs, click OK to close the Trust Center settings window. Then click OK again to close the Outlook options window. Once that's done, restart Outlook. This final step is important because it ensures the new macro setting is fully applied. When Outlook opens again, the updated macro behavior should now be active. As a final reminder, only enable macros for trusted files and trusted sources. Macros can be extremely helpful for automation, but they can also be used to deliver malware if you enable them carelessly. If you're working in a managed business environment, it's also a good idea to follow your organization's security policy before changing these settings. And that's it. You now know how to access Outlook's macro settings, choose the appropriate security level, and apply the change properly.